Make conversations interactive and visual. Getting started is simple. Make sure your message templates are created and approved in Twilio. Then switch to HelloSend. Go to Settings, Channels, and Twilio. Click on Configure to get started. Now, switch to the RCS Messaging tab. From here, choose your RCS messaging service. Add a friendly name and click Save. And that's it. You're done with the configuration. Next, add your templates to send consistent and engaging messages. Your approved templates will automatically appear here. No extra setup needed. Just choose a template, review it, and click Add. You're all set to start engaging customer conversations. Open any chat from the inbox. Choose your RCS messaging service, select your template, and send rich interactive messages to your customers in just a few clicks. Thank you for choosing HelloSend.